What does it mean, socialization? Another concept which is called socialization. Socialization means that interaction. When you interact with all these social institutions, they will impact on your behavior. For example, when you interact, I will not use the word interact. In fact, I will say when you socialize with your family will impact your behavior. When you will socialize with the media, when you will socialize with the education, when you will socialize with the religion, all these institutions ultimately will impact your behavior. It's mean that you need to socialize with all these different social institutions first. So let's understand the socialization. We categorize the socialization into two parts. Number one, we call it as a primary socialization. And number second, we call secondary socialization. Primary socialization and secondary socialization. There are two different types of socialization. Primary versus secondary. If I talk about in an informal way, which primary socialization is your first interaction. When you come into this world, your first interaction is with your family. So it's mean that our primary socialization or primary institutions or our primary socialization is with family. And in our book, there is also another, we call it as a peer group. Your age fellows, your first interaction with your family. After your primary socialization or after your first interaction, your second interaction, we call it as a secondary socialization. Your second interaction. Again, I'm explaining all these points in a very informal way. So in our second interaction, we have education, we have media, and we have religion. Remember, if we talk about the social institution, social institutions can be formal, remember, and can be informal. Formal mean something that follow the particular instruction, means something which is written. For example, we have the state, we have workplace. All these are formal institutions, while informal institutions, we have family, we have peer group. Look, all the sanction imposed by these institutions will be either formal or informal. For example, if you are in the workplace, you will be promoted. Your promotion will be based on some particular instruction that will be written. That if, for example, if you achieve that particular target, you will be in a position to promote yourself. It's mean that sanctions, or if someone, for example, terminate you from the job, again, there will be something that will be written. So your positive sanction or negative sanction becomes a formal. While informal, in the family sanctions or in the peer group sanctions, all the sanctions are informal. What does it mean? For example, if your family is asking you if you can get A grade in the sociology, they will give you cell phone as a gift. That is a positive sanction, but this is not something written anywhere. So that's become an informal. And if you're reprimanded or punished by your parents, again your negative sanction is not written anywhere. So here the sanction become an informal.